Monday, the 25th. I got a few more nights to fill my buck tags. I'll be traveling Thanksgiving season in Saturday, so we'll get back in the blind today, see what happens. Sprinkling, raining, 40 degrees. It's supposed to turn to snow this afternoon, so maybe the deer will move better. All set up. Just waiting for the buck. Should be a good night. Snow's coming in a couple hours. It's cooling off. Feels real bucky. Little fawn come out. Couple partridge out. No deer yet. Well, the one fawn was it. That's all I seen. Shooting hours are just about over. We'll have to try her again tomorrow. Well, it's November 26th, the morning of. I take the kids to school, and I'm taking my son to the doctor's appointment, and hopefully I can get to the cabin by maybe noon, a little before noon. Hunt the afternoon and the evening. But leaving for Thanksgiving for a few days. So today and tomorrow, last days to hunt this year. It's been a good season. I had my dad killed a nice buck. Two of my sons killed bucks, and my grandson. So it's been a really good season. Supposed to be snowing all day. Weatherman said snow all day. Well, it's not snowing yet, so kind of hoping it will. Maybe that'll get them moving. We'll see. See you then. Well, things happen. I didn't get to the cabin until at noon like I planned, but got all that stuff done, and I'm on my way now. Catch the last couple hours probably before dark, and yeah, see you at the cabin. Well, all settled in. Wow, did it get cold. It's 37 all day and rain. This afternoon it started turning to snow. It snowed hard, but it's kind of spitting a little snow right now. It is cold. It went from 37 to high 20s. So she's going to be cold tonight. But got a couple hours till dark. I'm ready. Nothing out yet, but it's starting to snow a little bit. Coming down pretty good. Just starting to stick. We'll see. Sitting here thinking about how we're going to process the deer, or what we're going to make out of it this year. Pretty much same as we do all the time, but jerky and steaks, burger. We're going to make some brats this year. My brother's going to smoke some and make pastrami, lunch meat out of it. Can't wait to see how that comes out. Pretty excited about that. But like I said, I'll be traveling to my son's on Thanksgiving, and we're going to process a couple of his deer and grind them up. The other thing we do with it is we can it. You can make a gravy out of it with mushroom soup and put it over mashed potatoes or pasta. Or we put it with potatoes and make a hash. It's really good. We'll probably can 3 or 4 canners full for all the boys and us. It's had a little doe and a fawn come by. Filled my doe tag. Great success. All right. Wow, she's getting with her now. Look at that. Very nasty roads right now. Good morning. It's the morning of the 27th, and as you can see from the video, things got pretty crazy at the end there. We got a little mini blizzard blew in, so I didn't get to film much after I shot that deer. Big shout out to a couple of my boys stopped out and helped me take care of her and get her loaded in the truck. And I didn't get to do much taping, but anyways, I chose to black out the shot because it was kind of graphic. So I'm just going to leave it at that. It was a successful hunt and glad you guys come along. Thanks.